In this tutorial, we will combine the skills of the two previous lessons. Hold, throw, catch. Hold 2 bottles in one hand. Throw and catch. With the same hand. 1 flip. Right hand. Left hand. Two flips, right hand. Left hand. Three bottles. Take 3 bottles and throw one hand to hand. 2 flips. On throw and catch lessons, you will not have any exams. You just need to do exercises from these lessons every time you're in practice room.